things aren't even your own responsibility, you just got to muck in, get the job done. So it's a very wet day, basically 24 hours of torrential rain, and earlier on I drove through a flood. I didn't have a shovel, but about a foot behind the camera which I'm filming on is now a shovel. So hopefully no one's ruined my fun and got there before me and cleared a little bit of verge into the ditch next to the road where the flood is. Because sadly, I'm quite looking forward to getting there and clearing said flood. That's not a name, said flood. Anyway, this isn't my responsibility in the slightest, but I'm doing it. Wellies and a spade. Yep, all you need. And the will to do your bit. Instead of blaming someone else, or calling someone, or emailing someone and complaining. Do it. Just do it. It's not difficult at the end of the day, is it? Jeez. Yeah, when I say flood, it's just basically across a country road. How do you define a flood? That's thoroughly disappointing because someone has actually cleared it. Look! Somebody's dug out! I want to find another one. I remember when there was another flood earlier. That's generally really annoying. Good on them. Someone's helped. I'm going to have to find another one. So I'm now searching country lanes for a problem which isn't mine to solve. Yeah, I know where there could be some. I found a flood I can clear. Yes! I'll see the farmer in a minute. What's that idiot doing? That's my job. Yes! Yes! Oh yeah! Wonderful. Well, what was a flood is now most definitely a puddle. Didn't take long.